Assalamu alaikum, dear student. On behalf of the Brahmanbaria Modern School, I welcome you all to this online class. Hope that you well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine and I am really very pleased to be here today's online class. Dear student, especially I want to say something to you, and that is, as a student you always like to maintain your punctuality and sincerity, because you know that study is the main duty of student life. So dear student, please be sincere and particular, be sincere and punctual in your studies. Okay. Previous class we discussed about some rules of simple complex. Today we are going to discuss rest of previous class, and I will try my level best to deliver on today's topic. Okay, let's start our class. Dear student, look at the board. Here, simple complex. In a simple sentence, the rules is participle or verb plus ing plus subject. Here, for example, killing the bird, the old man brought the bad luck to the crew. In a complex sentence, here we use since instead of present participle. Since the old man killed the bird, he brought bad luck to the queue. They are principal clause. There is no change in a principal clause. Dear student, I say once again, in a simple sentence, if simple sentence start with present participle, in a complex sentence we use since, and there is no change in principal clause. Killing the bird, the old man brought the bad luck to the crew. Here, kill, since the old man killed the bird. Here, killed the past form of present form, and according to the sentence, since the old man killed the bird, he brought bad luck to the crew. Next we come to in spite of or despite of. In a simple sentence, start with in spite of or despite of. We use in a complex sentence though or although. Here, for example, in spite of his illness, he went to college. Though he was ill. Here, though is, we use though instead of in spite of. Though he was ill, he went to college. Here, subject, verb was, and main verb went is according to tense. In spite of, dear student, we use possessive case, his. When we use in spite of, we definitely use possessive case, and when we use though, we use he. Subjective form, he and his. In spite of, after in spite of we use his, and after though we use he subjective form. In spite of his illness, he went to college. Though he was ill, he went to college. Or in spite of his other example, in spite of his being good qualified, he doesn't find a good job. Please, by plus gerund. If plus subject. If simple sentence start with by plus gerund, it turned into in a complex sentence if plus subject. For example, by working hard, you can shine in life. In a complex sentence, we use if you work hard, you can or you will shine in life. Here, by working, by plus gerund. Now you can ask me what is gerund. Gerund is verb plus ing, and it's one kind of noun. Okay, by working hard, you can shine in life. Here, in a complex sentence, if you work hard, here if we use by plus gerund plus, then we use subject plus object. By working hard, you can shine in life. If you work hard, you will shine in life. There is no change in a principal clause. Next, without plus gerund. If simple sentence is start with without plus gerund, then we use in a complex sentence unless plus subject. Without reading more, you cannot pass in the exam. Here in a complex sentence, unless you read more, you will not pass in the exam. Here unless we use instead of without plus reading, without plus gerund. Next, noun phrase. If simple sentence has noun phrase, we use in a complex sentence noun clause. Obviously, in the previous class we discussed about phrasal clause. What is phrase? I once again say a phrase is a group of words which has no subject or finite verb but act as a part of a sentence. And then clause is a long sentence. Clause is a part of long sentence having subject and finite verb. So, if simple sentence start with noun phrase, we use complex sentence noun clause. There, he knows my birthplace. In a complex sentence, he knows where I was born. Here, subject plus verb we use where it is a relative pronoun. Okay, is that clear what I say? And remember that on the same way we for long we turn simple sentence into complex. On the same way we turn complex into simple. Dear student, hope that you will all are understand what is discussed and you must practice yourself what is discussed today. Well, now I would like to finish here today and hope that you enjoy this class very much. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.